Hi everyone, hope you all are fine and doing great. Today's video is about consonant digraphs. We have some digraphs in an English language, and from among that, I'm dealing with only two of them today, as I want my kids to be perfect with its sound and its words before I end up a video. I hope it will be helpful, so watch it till the end. And let's start now. Now, today, Filza, we are learning about some of the consonant digraphs, okay?
Yeah.
Consonant digraphs are nothing but when two consonants are combined together, they make one sound.
Yes.
Here you can see some two different consonants. What is the alphabet here?
S.
S, but what is the sound of S? Yes, very good. S. And the sound of H? H. But when I combine this together, SH, it makes the sound as sh. Okay?
Yeah.
It makes the sound as sh. So we are going to learn some of the words corresponding to that.
Yeah.
Look here, Filza. In this picture, in this picture you can see a girl
Yeah.
telling to keep quiet.
Yeah.
Yeah? Sometimes you tell somebody to keep quiet. How do you make a sound? Shh sound, yeah?
Yeah.
So today we are going to learn some of the words with SH. Now the sound of SH is sh. Okay, very good. So now look here. What is the sound of SH?
Sure.
Sh. And the sound of O?
O.
And the sound of P? So SHOP?
Shop.
Shop. Very good.
And
You know the shop, yeah?
yeah, I know.
Yeah. Now, what is the sound of T?
T.
What is the sound of R?
Her.
And the sound of A?
A.
So TRA, tra.
Tra.
And the sound of SH?
Sure.
So it will be TRASH, trash. Trash. Yes. Now look here. What is the sound of SH?
Sure.
Sure. The sound of AE here. What is the sound of AE?
A.
A. And the sound of P?
P.
So SHAPE, shape. And the sound of S? So shapes, because there are more than one shape, we say shapes. We add S at the end, yeah?
Yeah.
Very good. Now look here, what is the sound of CA? What is the sound of C?
K.
What is the sound of A?
A.
CA,
K.
K. And the sound of SH?
Sure.
Sure. So CASH, cash. Very good. Cash. Cash is nothing but money. Some amount of money is called as cash. I have a cash.
I want that money.
Yeah. Now look here now. What is the sound of F? What is the sound of I?
E.
Very good. FI.
C.
And the sound of SH?
Sure.
So FISH?
Fish.
Fish. So the digraphs sometimes comes at the end of a word. Fish. Very good. What is the sound of SH? Sh. What is the sound of SH?
Sure.
Sure. What is the sound of I?
A.
E.
E.
And the sound of P?
P.
So SHIP.
Ship.
Ship. Very good. Ship.
Yeah, ship.
Yes. Now what is the sound of SH?
Sure.
Sure. What is the sound of E? E.
E.
E. Very good. Long E sound. And the sound of P?
P.
P. So SHEEP.
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 This is
Sheep. Yes. What is the sound of L?
L.
What is the sound of A?
A.
And the sound of SH?
Sure.
Sh. LASH. Lash. It's an eyelashes. Yes.
Eyelashes.
Yeah. You have got a good eyelashes.
Yeah.
Lash.
Lash.
Good. We will learn some more words now, okay? Now here, I'm making her read some more words by doing this activity. Where you have to, listen Filza, where you have to make a word, read the word and then find out its picture. Okay? Now, tell me what is SHIP?
Ship.
Ship. Where is the ship? Yes, this is the ship. Very good. So you're going to keep here. Ship. SHIP. Ship.
Ship.
Now, if I turn this here, what is SHORT? What is the sound of SH?
Sure.
What is the sound of OR?
O.
And the sound of T?
T.
So S-H-O-R-T.
Short.
Short. Very good. Short. So where is the short? The opposite of tall is short. Can you find in these pictures where is the short? Opposite of tall, short. Here, I'll help you, Filza. Oh no, not this one. Here, look here. The elephant is tall and this rat is short. Short. Yes? So here I can make like this short. Yes, Filza? Fine?
Yeah.
Now next one, look here, Filza now. What is the sound of SH?
Sh.
What is the sound of IN? What is the sound of IN?
In.
So SHIN.
Shin.
Shin. You know shin? I think you don't know shin. This is a new word for you. Shin is nothing but this part is called as shin. Okay? It's below the knee. Below the knee, but above the ankle. This part is called as the front part of the leg. Is called as shin.
Shin.
Okay? Shin. 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 Very good. Now next one. Come on, Filza, look here. What is the sound of SH?
Sh.
What is the sound of EE?
E.
Yes, and the sound of P?
Pa.
So SHEEP.
Sheep.
Sheep. So tell me, where is the sheep? Yes, that's the sheep. That's good, Filza, now.
This one.
Now tell me, what is the sound of SH?
Sh.
Sure. The sound of O
O.
and the sound of P?
Pa.
So SHOP.
Shop.
Shop. Very good. Where is the shop? Shop.
What? Shop.
Huh? I didn't say short. Yeah, that's the shop. Now, that's good. Now tell me, what is SH?
Sh.
Sure. What is the sound of E?
A.
What is the sound of L? L. So SHELL.
Sh.
Shell. Where is the shell here in these pictures? Huh? Seashell, Filza. Seashell. You know seashell.
E. I know.
No, then tell me, where is it?
Here.
It's there. That's the shop.
No.
Seashell, beta. Look here. Yeah, that's great. Shell. SHELL. Shell.
Shell.
Yeah. Now next one. Now tell me, Filza. What is SHOE?
Shore.
Shoe. Where is the shoe? Yes, shoe. Now next one. SHAPE. What is the shape? Very good. Where is the shape? She has a shape. Now next one. You have SHIP. It's over, yeah? SHIP, ship. That's how you have learned the words. So the new word that you have learned today is shin, yeah? Shin is this part of a leg. Below the knee is called as shin. Yeah? Good, very good. Now the next digraph you are learning today is CH, okay? Now what is the sound of C?
S.
So like K.
K.
K. And the sound of H? So CH sound here is when you combine both of them, it makes the sound as ch. Ch. Okay? CH sound. Like how the train makes sound when it is moving. Yeah? Have you ever heard? Have you ever heard, Filza?
Yes.
Yes, it makes the sound like ch-choo. Yeah? The sound coming here of CH is ch. Okay? Ch. Come on now. Let us learn some words. Come on, yella. What is the sound of CH?
Sh.
Ch. What is the sound of I? E. And the sound of CK? K. And the sound of EN? N. CHICK, chick, ENN, chicken.
Chicken.
Yes, the mother of a chick is called chicken.
Chicken.
Yeah. Now next one. What is the sound of CH? Ch. What is the sound of E? ER? RY?
Word.
RY, re.
Re.
The sound of Y here is I. So it is cherry.
Cherry.
Yeah, cherries. Cherries will be in red color. Cherries. We love cherries on the cake, yeah?
I want it.
Yeah. What is the sound of CH?
Ch.
Ch. What is the sound of AI?
A.
A. Very good. And the sound of R?
Her.
So CHAIR.
Chair.
Chair. Very good. Now what is the sound of CH?
Ch.
Ch. What is the sound of AI?
A.
A. And the sound of N? So CHAIN.
Chin.
Chain. Very good. What is the sound of CH?
K.
Ch.
Ch.
What is the sound of AL? L. And the sound of K? K. Chalk.
Ch.
You know chalk?
Yeah.
Yes. Chalks can also be colorful. Chalk. Chalk. With that you can write it on the blackboard. Chalk.
Yeah.
Now next one. What is this, Filza? What is this? What is this?
Ch.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Yeah, it starts with CH sound. Chocolate.
No good.
Not good. Chocolate. Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Cho. CH. Choco. LAT. Late. Chocolate. Okay, what is the sound of CH?
Ch.
Ch. The sound of E. E.
E.
And the sound of S. Okay, here it is E is silent at the end. So CHEES.
Grass.
Cheese.
Cheese.
What are you saying? Cheese. The sound of CH. The sound of EE. E. Chi. And the sound of S. Cheese. Now what is the sound of CH?
Ch.
What is the sound of E? And the sound of CK? And the sound of CK? K.
K.
So CHECK, check.
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 Yeah, when teacher corrects your book, checked. It's checked. Yeah?
Chip.
Ah, yeah, you got chips. Very good. So all these have got the sound of ch at the beginning, yeah? That's great. Let us learn some more words now. Here also I am making her read some more words with CH sound, ch. Yeah? Come on. Now tell me, Fiza, what is the sound of CH?
Ch.
What is the sound of I? E. And the sound of N? So CHIN.
Chin.
Chin. Where is the chin? Yes, this part is called as chin, yeah?
Okay.
So,
Let me do this.
okay, yes, do it. What is the sound of CH?
Ch.
What is the sound of I?
E.
Very good. And the sound of LL? L. So CHILL.
Till.
Chill. Chill, you know what means chill? The feeling of coldness is called chill. When you feel cold, what do? Yes, you cover your body, yes?
Yes.
Next one. CH. What is the sound of CH?
Ch.
What is the sound of O?
O.
And the sound of P? P. CHOP.
Chop.
Chop. Chop, you know, to cut something. Yes, into pieces is called as chop. No. To cut something with a... Yes, here we are using an axe to cut the log.
Yeah.
We can chop the vegetables as well with a knife, yeah?
Yeah. Next. Here.
Now tell me, what is the sound of CH?
Ch.
Ch. What is the sound of I?
E.
What is the sound of CK? K.
K.
K. So CHICK. 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 What is chick? Chick is nothing but the baby of a chicken.
Yeah.
Where is the baby? Yeah, baby of a chicken is called chick. Come on. Now what is the sound of CH? Ch. What is the sound of EW? Here the sound of EW is oo. Like double O sound. Oo. Okay. I'll make for you. I'll help. Double O sound. Ooh. Chew. It makes the sound. EW makes the sound as ooh. Chew. You know what means chew? Chew is nothing but to crush the thing or ground the things before eating. You do it with your teeth. So can you tell me who is chewing here? Yeah, the dog. The dog is chewing a bone.
Here.
Yes, fine.
I.
Now tell me, what is the sound of CH?
Ch.
Ch. What is the sound of I? E. And the sound of L? L. And the sound of I? E. CHILI. Chili. CHICHILI. Chili. Where is the chili? Yes, chili. Now next one. What is the sound of CH?
Ch.
Ch. What is the sound of U? And the sound of M. What are you doing? C-H-U-M. Chum. You know chum? Chum is nothing but a friend.
Here.
You got the friend here. Chum, a companion. Okay, sit properly first. What is the sound of CH? Ch. What is the sound of A? Come on, help mama. What is the sound of A? And the sound of T? T. So C-H-A-T. Chat. It starts with ch sound. Chat. Chat means to talk with each other, to speak with each other is called chat. Yes, they are chatting. Now, what is the sound? Okay, so we did even CHIN, chin. That's how we have learned the words.
Yeah.
You got it now?
Yeah.
So which new word you have learned today? Maybe chop, maybe chew, maybe chat, maybe chill, maybe chum. Chum is a very new word for you. Chum. Yeah?
Baby.
Okay, good.
Villain.
At last, I'm giving her this worksheet to check whether she got the sound of CH or SH. Yes? Fine now. Now look here, Filza. You must say the word and you must find out which digraph, CH or SH. CH make which sound? Ch. And SH make which sound? Sh. Okay? Now tell me, what is this?
Ship.
Sheep. So which one will come? SH or CH? Sheep. Sh sound.
Yes.
Tell me which digraph will come? Yes, very good. Now what is this, Filza?
Shark.
Shark. Which one? Very good. Shark. What is this?
Chair.
Chair. Say loudly. Yes, very good. Chair. Chair sound. So CH. Very good. Cherry. This is cherry. Very good. What is this, Filza? This is called a shed. Not house. Look here first. It's shed. Shed is nothing but, 1 minute wait. Shed is nothing but,
Chair.
it's a shelter for animals. We use shelter for animals or for storing of the farm material. It's like it's made up of wood. Yeah? So it's called shed. Now tell me, which digraph will make shed sound? SH. Very good. Now what is this? What is this, Filza? Ship.
Chip.
Now next one. What is this? This is called as church. Come on, tell me which one? CH or SH? CH. Yeah? Ch sound. Come closer. Yeah. Now this is called as chimpanzee. Ch sound is coming. So which one now? CH or SH? Which one? Yes, chimpanzee. Now what is this? Shoes. Which one? Very good. And what is this? Cheese. Yeah, ch sound. Come on, do it now. So that's how I made her read and understand the meaning of some words. But apart from that, I made some more words for you. So I'll do it for you now. It's like you have here shark, R, shark, shake, A-E sound, A, shake, shout, ow, shout, shut, shirt, I-R, shirt, smash, sheet, shower, dish, push, wish, she, shy, show. And for ch sound, you have watch, inch, chess, match, batch, sketch, lunch, charm, choose, catch, hatch, ditch. So that's the end of today's lesson. Hope you like it. And if you have learned at least a single thing out of this lesson, please do like. And don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. I'll definitely come up with more such learning videos to make your kids read easily. So keep watching and take care. Goodbye.